Very good morning students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our maths period. Children, this session I am going to complete this chapter. That is chapter number 5, decimal fraction. Okay. Last exercise is going on. See here, practice set 17. First question, it has 4 sums. Okay. So that is third sum. So first sum we solved already. Second one I had given for your homework. Did you complete your homework, children? Yes. Very good. So this is third one. Okay, so 20.6 is divided by 2. 20.6 is divided by 2. See here children, first step what I told, yes, this decimal fraction you have to convert into a common fraction, isn't it? So 206 upon 10. 206 upon 10 is divided by this 2. You can write in the fractional form, that is 2 upon 1. Okay, next step is what, children? Yes, this fraction you have to write, and this, yes, this number, see here children, this number we have to multiply with the reciprocal of this fraction, isn't it? So into 1 upon 2. Understood children? Yes. Next one is numerator into numerator, that is 206 upon 10 into 2, that is 20. Next step is, see here children, yes, 206 upon 20. So here 20 into 5, that is 100, isn't it? So we have to multiply with 5, and at the same time numerator also you have to multiply with 5. So if you are multiplying here, your answer will be 1030 upon 20 into 5, that is 100. Okay children, now see here, you have to convert this fraction into a decimal number, that is 10.30 or 10.3. Okay, shall I go to next now children? Yes, fourth question is 32.5 is divided by 25. Okay, so first step what I told children, yes, 325 upon 10 is divided by 25 upon 1. I hope you understood this step. Next step you know very well. Yes, this fraction you have to write, and this sign you have to convert into multiply sign. Okay, and reciprocal of this fraction you have to write, that is 1 upon 25. Okay, and next one is, yes, 325 into 1 is equal to 325 upon 10 into 25, that is 250. So children, see here, now what do you want? Yes, so children, see here, this is your answer now you got. Next one, this you have to convert into a decimal number, isn't it children? For that, in denominator place we want, yes, the power of 10 number, that means 10, yes, 100 or 1000, isn't it? So 250, see here children, the denominator 250. So 250 into 4 is equal to 1000. Okay, so next step, yes, I am multiplying this fraction into with 4. Okay, so 325 into 4 is equal to 1300 upon this number is equal to 250 into 4 is equal to 1000. Okay children, so what is your answer now? 1.3. That means 1.300 will come, isn't it children? Because here 3 zeros are there. So that after the decimal point, if zeros are there in this place, there is no value for this 0. So your answer is what? 1.3. Shall we go to next now? Yes, second question is word problem, isn't it children? See here, a road is 4 kilometer 800 meter long. If trees are planted on both its sides at intervals of 9.6 meter, how many trees were planted? See here children, like this road is there. Okay, so here road will start from here. Okay, so every 9.6 meter distance the trees are planted. Okay children, so the road length is what? 4 kilometer 800 meter. So how many trees were planted we have to find. For this question, see here first. Yes, length of road 4 kilometer 800 meter. Isn't it children? So that say here 4000 meter plus 800 meter. So total how much of meter? 4800 meter. Okay children? Yes, why? Because 4 kilometer means 4000 meter plus 800 meter. Okay, so total length of road is 4800 meter. Next one is what here children, next statement is number of trees on one side. Number of trees on one side we have to find first. So see here that every 9.6 meter distance the trees are planted. So 4800 is divided by 9.6. Okay children, I hope you understood this one. Next one we have to divide. Okay, see here. So this one I have written 4800 upon 1 is divided by, yes, 96 upon 10. Understood children? So next step what we have to do? Yes, this number, that means this 4800 upon 1 we have to multiply with the reciprocal of this fraction. So children, next say here next step is, yes, 4800 upon 1 into, yes, reciprocal of this fraction, that is 10 upon 96. Okay children, so see numerator into numerator what will come? Yes, 48,000. Okay children, upon 1 into 96 what will come? 96. So children, you have to divide these two number. 48,000 upon 96, you will get your answer 500. Okay children, how 500 will come? See here, I will explain here. Children, like this also you can multiply. Yes, 48,000 is divided by 96. You can divide like this. Otherwise, one more. Say here children, 48,000 upon 96. You can divide like this also with the help of common factor. Okay children, so just you have to see the number 48 and 96. So here 6 is a common factor. Okay children, 6 or 8. Here I am using that 8 table. Okay children, so you have to divide this two number by 8. See, so 48, just you have to cut like this. 48, how many 8s are there children? Yes, 6 8s are 48. Remaining this 30, you have to write like this. Okay children, and here also you have to divide by 8. In 9, how many 8s are there children? 1 8. Remainder is 1. Okay, so if the 1 will go here, it will become 16. So 16, how many 8s are there children? Yes, 2 8s are there. 8 2s are 16. So 2 will come. Okay children, now see again this number 6000 upon 12. So here which one is a common factor? Very good, 6. So see here 12, how many 6 are there children? 2 6 are there. And here 6, how many 6 are there? 1. And remaining this 30. Yes, you have to write. Okay, now 2, here 1000. Okay children, so 2 ones are 2 and this 1000 what will become? 500. Okay, so what is your answer here children? 500. See here, yes, after this division we got 500. Okay, so children, what is your answer? Yes, here that final answer I have given, number of trees on both sides. See here children, just you have to imagine this is the road. Okay, so here the road will start from here. Okay, so every 9.6 meter distance the trees are planted. Suppose that first tree is here. Okay, so in one side how many trees are planted children? 500. So in two sides how many trees are planted? 500 plus 500, that is 1000. Suppose like this also you can imagine, you can see here children, In case the trees are planted the beginning of the road, okay, the beginning of the road, that time the total number of trees will be increased. Isn't it children? 2 trees will increase. So 2 possibility will come children, 2 answer will come for this question. See, number of trees on both sides is equal to 2 into number of trees in yes one side. That means 2 into 500 is equal to 1000. In case the trees are planted at the beginning of the road, how many trees will be increasing? Yes, 2. Isn't it children? Yes, if the trees are planted at the beginning of the road, then total number of trees is equal to 1000 plus 2 is equal to 1002. Understood children? Shall I go to next now? Yes. So children, see here, this is your final answer. Total number of trees planted on both sides, that is 1000 or 1002. Okay, why 1000, why the 1002, you know, isn't it children? Shall I go to next one? Yes, second question. Third question is, Pratnya exercises regularly by walking along a circular path on a field. Okay, again that word problem we are having. That is, one girl is exercises regularly by walking along a circular path on a field. If she walks a distance of 3.825 kilometer in 9 rounds of the path, how much does she walk in one round? So here what we have to do children? Yes, we have to divide. Okay, your question is, say here, the circular field, that is that Pratnya walks a distance of 3.825 kilometer in 9 rounds. Okay, so you have to find how much does she walk in one round. Okay, can you find? See here children, I have given her statement, that is total distance walk in 9 rounds, that is 3.825 kilometer. So how much of distance walked in one round? That is 3.825 is divided by 9. Okay, so see here children, this decimal fraction you have to convert into a common fraction. After the decimal point, 3 digits are there. Yes, so 3825 upon 1000 is divided by 9. It can be written in the form of fraction, that is 9 upon 1. Okay, now what you have to do children? Yes, this fraction you have to multiply with the reciprocal of this fraction. Okay, see here, yes, 3825 upon 1000 into 1 upon 9. Okay children, yes, again here we can cancel out this number and this number we can cancel it. Okay, that means with the help of the 9th table, 9 ones are 9, and here 38, how many 9s are there children? Yes, 4 9s are 36, remainder 2. If the 2 will go here, it will become 22. Can you say 22, how many 9s are there children? Yes, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are, yes, 27. So 2s are there, isn't it children? How many 9s are there in 22? 2 9s are there, remainder, yes, 4. If the 4 will go here, it will become 45. Can you say in 45 how many 9s are there children? 5. Okay, so 425 into 1, that is 425 upon 1000 into 1, that is 1000. Okay children, now you have to say here, yes, 0.425. Understood now? This is your answer. See here, final answer I have given here. Your answer is what? 0.425 kilometer. So answer is total distance walked in one round is equal to, yes, 0.425 kilometer. I hope you understood this one. Next one is, yes, fourth question is, okay children, that is again, this is last question of this exercise, that is also word problem. Are you ready? Shall I start now? a pharmaceutical, yes, manufacturer bought 0.25 quintal of Hirada, that is a medicinal plant. Okay, this is the quantity. Okay children, for rupees 9,500. What is the cost per quintal of Hirada? You have to find. See here, 1 quintal, that is 100 kilogram. Okay children, so see here, you have to find what is the cost per quintal of Hirada. Shall we find here? Yes, shall we start? First, the statement, cost of 0.25 quintal of Hirada, that is rupees 9,500. So what you have to do? What you have to find here children? Cost of 1 quintal of Hirada you have to find. For this you have to divide this 9,500, yes, by 0.25. Okay, shall we start now? You know very well this. Yes, this number. Yes, next step, what you have to do children? This number you have to multiply. Yes, first step is what children? This number you have to write, and this one 0.25 have to convert into a common fraction. So what will come? 25 upon what will come children? Very good, 100 will come. Yes, because after the decimal point, yes, 2 digits, so here 20. Okay, now it's so easy, isn't it children? See, so first step, here I have written that 0.25 into I have converted into a common fraction, that is 25 upon 100. Next step is what? Yes, this number you have to multiply with the reciprocal of this fraction, that means into 100 upon 25. Okay children, next step is what? See here, why next step I have written like this, 9,500 into 4. Do you know? Can you guess children? Yes, just you have to 100, this fraction you have to see, 100 upon 25. What is the answer? Yes, 4. Okay, that's why here I have written 9,500 into 4. Okay, now you have to multiply these two number, you will get 38,000. What you will get children? 38,000 of rupees. So your answer is what? Cost of quintal of Hirada, that is rupees 38. Okay, 38,000. Understood children? Yes. So children, see here, this is your final answer. Okay, so cost of quintal of Hirada, that is 38,000 rupees. Okay, so I hope you understood today's session. Today we solved 3 word problem. So children, you have to do in your notebook and you have to do practice also. So I have completed this chapter. Yes, what we studied children in this lesson? We studied about that decimal fraction. Yes, place value of decimal fraction. How we have to convert a decimal fraction into a common fraction. How we have to convert a common fraction into a decimal fraction. Next one is addition and subtraction of decimal fraction. Yes, next one, what we studied children? Division, multiplication and division of decimal fraction, and some word problem also we studied. I hope you understood this lesson. Yes, understood children? Yes, so you have to do practice in your home. Okay children, thank you. Sai Ram.